In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate or remix a project in Lovable. Step by step. 2026. Remixing in Lovable creates a fresh copy of an existing project so you can experiment, make big changes, or try new ideas without touching the original. It's perfect for testing features, onboarding teammates, or forking a template. We'll walk through two reliable ways to do it, starting from inside a project and then from the dashboard. First, open Lovable and go straight to the project you want to duplicate. At the top of the project, open the menu. This is typically represented by three dots or a settings icon, and choose Settings. Inside Settings, make sure you're on the Project Settings tab. Here, look for the option labeled Remix Project. This is your built-in duplicate tool. Click Remix. You'll be prompted to give your new copy a name. Pick something clear and descriptive, like adding remix or a date so it's easy to find later. When you're happy with the name, click Remix again to confirm. Lovable will create a standalone copy that won't affect the original project. If your workspace uses protected resources or secrets, remember that those may be managed separately. The remix focuses on duplicating the project structure and content. Now let's cover the second route, which is great when you're already browsing your workspace. From your project, click Go to Dashboard. On the dashboard, scroll down to the section where your projects are listed. Find the project you want to remix. Hover over its card to reveal the Quick Actions menu, the three dots in the corner, and choose Remix. As before, you'll be asked to edit the project name. Use a naming convention that makes sense for your team, like including the feature name or sprint number. Then click Remix to create the duplicate. In both methods, the result is the same. A new project is generated with your chosen name, separate from the original. You can open it immediately and start editing with confidence. If you're collaborating, check that you're remixing in the correct workspace and keep names consistent so everyone can find the right version quickly. That's all there is to it. You've seen how to remix from within a project and directly from the dashboard, and how to name and confirm your duplicate. With these two options, you can spin up safe, independent copies anytime you need to explore new ideas. Congratulations on your successful remix, and happy building in Lovable.